Hey, Cameron here with the Sea Butters channel, and I wanted to show you this concept. A lot of people are playing around with the Oculus Quest, and a lot of people talk about how there's a super need for a counterweight on the back of the device. And also, a lot of people are playing with the link cable. I figured this is a big, heavy cable. I mean, it's light comparatively, but it is quite long. And once you wrap it up, it actually has quite a bit of heft. So I figured, why not have the cable act as a countersink? And then it's also readily available for when you want to link it up. And if you just want a shorter cable, you can do that as well. Like if you don't need the full length of cable, you still get the benefits of some of the countersink of the cable. So it actually works pretty well. This is a 3D part that I designed here, here, and here. And I mean, obviously the downside is when you are using the link cable, it you don't have the countersink on anymore, if you're using the full length. But for mobile, it actually is a good impromptu countersink. It actually improves all this pressure that ends up hitting on the bottom of your face right here completely goes away with this design. So this was just like a first prototype attempt at doing this. I'm sure someone could design a lot better 3D printed parts. The idea I had here is that, oh, maybe I can tuck one of the cables into there, but it really doesn't need that. It actually would be fine with like a knob or some posts. But I will share the 3D print, a link to it in the description in the video. But I'd love to see what people think of this idea and whether they design some better mounts that we can all use. You're welcome to use these, and I will continue updating them. So just pay attention to the Thingiverse page, and I'll keep updating it. But yeah, I'll round it out, make it a little shorter, so it's not as obtrusive and things like that. But that's kind of like my idea, and in wearing it, it actually works really well. So anyways, take that information for what it's worth and subscribe if you're interested in lots of VR stuff, and we'll see you later.